There's a question from CAT 2019 slot 2. That's a simple question based on what iterative function. What's given here? Let f be a function such that f of m into n, is fm into fn for every positive integer m and n. And if f1, f2, and f3 are positive integers, make sure that you get the positive values in. F1 is less than F2 and F of 24 is F50 is equal to 54. Then find the value of F of 18. Okay, let's start with this one. F of Mn. It's given that F of M into N must be equal to what? F of M into F of N. Now let's assume that M is 2 and N is 1. So what do we get? F of 2 into 1, which is 2, must be equal to F of 2 into F of 1. Yes or no? When everything comes on this side, get f of 2 minus f of 2 into f of 1 is equal to 0. What's common here? It's f of 2. So inside the bracket, I'll be left with 1 minus f of 1 is equal to 0. So either f2 is 0 or 1 minus f of 1 is 0. If f2 becomes 0, in that case, f1 will also become 0. But it's given that f1, f2, and f3, they are positive integer. So this will not hold true. That means 1 minus f of 1 is equal to 0. If 1 minus f of 1 is 0, f of 1 will be equal to how much? It's 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. And we also know that f of 1 is less than f of 2. Okay. Now what you are looking for? F of 24 here. How do we calculate f of 24 here? F of 24 is 54. The value given here is 54. How do we write f of 24 here? If we want to convert this f of 24, how do we calculate it? Now, f of 24 can be written as f of 3 into, this is f of 3 into 8, which is equal to what? F of 24 means f of 3 into f of 8. Yes or no? And this is given equal to 54. This value is given equal to 54. So this is f of 3 into f of 8. And how do we write this f of 8? F of 3 into f of 8. Using this property, f of 8 can be written as f of 2 into f of 4. And again, when you apply this property for f of 4, this f of 4 can be replaced by what? F of 2 into 2. This f of 2 into f of 2. This value is already given equal to how much? 54. So basically what you're getting here, f of 3 into f of 2 whole cube is equal to 54. And you also know that f of 2 and f of 3 are they are positive integers. So which perfect square will give you 54? This should be what? 8. 8 into, sorry, this is 27. 27 into something will give you 54. So in that case, f of 2 must be equal to what? 3. If f of 2 becomes 3, this is 3 cubed, 27. In that case, f of 3 will be equal to 2. So I know the value of f of 1, that is 1. F of 2 is 3. F of 3 is 2. And I'm looking for what? I'm looking for f of 18. How do we write f of 18? F of 18 can be written as f of 2 into 9, which is equal to what? F of 2 into f of 9. And how do we write f of 9? Using this property. F of 9 can be written as f of 3 into 3, means f of 3 into f of 3. So basically you need to put the values. F of 2 is 3, f of 3 is 2. There's one more f of 3, that is also 2. So 3 into 2 into 2 will give you how much? 12. So the answer has to be 12.